Hi, in this video we are going to learn about the river patterns of the Madhya Pradesh. But before we begin, first need to understand the mountain patterns of the Madhya Pradesh because the most of the rivers flows with the land slope of the mountains. Basically, in Madhya Pradesh there is a two mountain ranges, first called Vindhyachal range and second is called Satpura range. Satpura range extended from the western part of the Madhya Pradesh to the eastern part of the Madhya Pradesh from Dhar to Satna. There is a highest peak called Kulumur Peak which has the height of 752 meters. Second, the eastern part of the Vindhyachal range is called Kaimur range which basically covers Satna, Riba, Panna and Katni district of the Madhya Pradesh. In the southern part of the Madhya Pradesh, there is a range called Satpura range, which extended from the Burhanpur district to the Anuppur district. There is a highest peak called Mount Dhupgarh, which has the height of 1350 meters. Eastern part of this range is called Amarkantak, and in Chhattisgarh it is called as Maikal Hills. Now we will learn about the river patterns of the Madhya Pradesh. First, the river Chambal. River Chambal starts from the Janapao Hills at Mahu in Indore district. Basically, it starts from Indore, passes through Ujjain, through Mandsaur. It enters into the Rajasthan and it forms a natural boundary between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, approximately 217 kilometers. And further, it meets to the Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh. There is a two dam, Gandhi Sagar Dam in Madhya Pradesh and Rana Pratap Sagar Dam in Rajasthan. Second river is Kali Sindh, starts from Devas, passing through Sajapur and Rajgarh district and meets the Chambal at Kota district in Rajasthan. Third one is the starts from Sihor, called Parvati, passes through the Guna and meets the Chambal at Sabai Madhopur district in Rajasthan. Fourth one is the river Betwa. River Betwa starts from the Raयsen district, passes through the boundary between Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, finally enters into the Uttar Pradesh and meets the Yamuna. The fifth one is the Dhasan. It also starts from the Raisen district, passes through the Damoh, Chhattisgarh in the northwest direction of the Madhya Pradesh and meets to the Betwa river and combined source meets to the Chambal river. And after this, river Ken starts from Katni and flowing to the north direction and meets the river Yamuna. After this, a river called Son starts from the Anuppur district in Amarkantak, passes through Sahdol. In Sahdol, it forms a dam called Bansagar Dam. It is a multi-purpose dam which has the capacity of 435 megawatt and also irrigation project called Bansagar Pariyojana. Next is river Narmada. It starts from the Anuppur district from Amarkantak and falls into the Arab Sagar through the Bharuch in Gujarat. Next is the Wardha. It starts from Baitul district and it starts from Multai And second is Vainganga. It starts from Sivni district, meets the Vardha. And third one is Penganga, which starts from the Ajanta hills from the Maharashtra and meets to the combined source of Vardha and Vainganga.